Welcome to this episode of The Rumble. Today I have with me a pair of directors, or what do I say, a duo, I don't know what the right word is, but they're a husband and wife, Gayatri and Pushkar. And they have actually produced or directed two films which went on to make waves. So without me saying anything more, I'll just find out from the two of them how they got into this, because I'm sure it interests everybody. So welcome to the show.
Hi.
Hi.
So you just tell me, both your films, I keep seeing this one word bandied about, which is cult film. So what in your estimate is a cult film?
Okay.
Actually,
Barry Norman.
Actually, I was just about to say Barry Norman.
Barry Norman in his
Earlier,
BBC review show gave this one definition of what is a cult film. A cult is a film where very few people watch
Defined
it.
by a very small group of, that was even
And
more last year,
a cult
actually.
is smaller than a minority. So it is just one very few people who watch it but will watch it incessantly.
But there must be hugely influential bunch of people, because once it becomes a cult film, it just takes off.
Yeah, I mean, I guess here it's being bandied as what was called Out of the Box was considered a cult film as such. And I know both our earlier films, we started making films with the intention of not being hardcore mainstream and follow into.
So what do you think was the reason why they put you in that box, which you didn't want to be in, but the cult film box? How did that happen?
No, actually, it's not exactly like we didn't want to be. It was kind of intentional.
Oh, okay.
And thing is, after we finished our masters in the US, we were kind of looking at our local things, things which we've grown up with from a different angle.
Okay.
Like local things were kind of very fascinating and cool.
Yeah.
In this macho culture of auto racing, or even and this dry day concept, which is there in the second film, is very unique to don't
India.
see it in the rest of so those things are pretty cool. And usually most of our films have huge emotions, huge conflicts and
Dramatic, melodramatic.
but on an everyday basis, these are the things we encounter, and
That's the reality of things.
Yeah.
But tell me, interesting that you mentioned that you were in the US. So what were you doing out there?
We went there to study in film school.
Okay, so this is your chosen career for...
Yeah, for a long time actually. Both of us studied in Loyola College, the Visual Communication Department.
Oh, so you're also Viscom.
Viscom.
You're probably the best advertisement for it so far. Has there been anybody else from out there who's
A
done
whole
it?
bunch of people.
Our batch was especially, pretty successful. Vishnu is from our batch.
Vishnuvardhan.
Okay.
Doing this film with
So John William,
John Vijay.
John Vijay is also part of that?
Yeah,
He's
he's
2 years
2 years
our
our senior from Viscom. That's how we know
I
him.
bet he's trying to hide that.
Whole bunch of people.
And,
Actor Vishal is from Viscom.
Okay.
And
Music
Kumar
director.
Raja.
Kumar Raja, Tyagarajan Kumar Raja, who made
He's
Arina
from,
Kandam, is our classmate.
Okay.
Andrew Lewis, who made Leela.
Leela is another classmate.
He's also a
And
classmate,
Vijay
so-
Anthony, who's doing music, and he's also.
I mean, all these names do stand out in the crowd. So is there something that Viscom is doing right?
I guess so, because actually in Viscom we were forced to think differently.
Okay.
So that was one of the things which Viscom was kind of.
So that's the
particular
kind of
about.
stuff you learned under the tree in the campus.
Yeah,
I believe
yeah,
nobody
yeah.
went to class there. Is that true?
No, we had classes. The thing is, it was pretty chill, as in nothing much to study, and at that point it looked pretty what are we doing kind of thing.
Yeah,
but
but
the longer
We're
run,
talking
actually,
about still many years back, more than it's 15 years back now. Now Viscom is not that easy. Viscom
Okay,
is
so you have to
supposed be-
qualify, and then be a whole bunch of people trying to get in.
No, actually, that time also it was extremely
Difficult to
competitive
get in.
because there was
Okay.
Viscom program was there only in Loyola, so you don't have it in so.
But
many
there's some in
other
all these
areas.
girls' colleges all starting
Now
over
there are a
there.
bunch of girls'
So
college.
are they really worth it? Did you really learn anything out there?
Actually,
Tell you-
when we studied Viscom was still an experimental course in that terms. We were,
okay.
I think, the 7th or 8th batch of Viscom ever in Madras at least. No, the whole of Tamil Nadu, I guess. So it was one thing where we were still trying to figure out what is this course about all through first year, second year, and all that.
Okay.
Then we kind of realized, okay, this course is about creative thought. So a lot of thing is push towards you trying to open your mind and think in a certain way, and with some theoretical backing. We did do an introductory course in psychology.
So did you
sociology.
meet anyone who was an ex Viscom student who influenced
Before
your mind?
joining. is
Before
it?
joining.
Yeah.
No, actually, I mean, there were few courses which were kind of art oriented. I mean, apart from like, see, that's GCSE.
Was it
is
lessons
like
in
proper-
photography and that kind of thing?
Yeah,
or was
we
it
did have
We
like
did
one
have.
course in
It
photography.
was like a little bit of everything.
Okay.
And like now, there are so many places with Viscom, so like it has also become kind of job oriented with a lot of television channels.
so it's
people will
probably
actually,
most aimed at that than cinemas
go
too
for,
dicey.
Actually, I'll tell you what the big difference is. When we studied Viscom, no, we hardly had any infrastructure in terms of like cameras or edit equipment and stuff like that. Because at that point of time, it was insanely expensive. I mean, if you had to buy a beta camera at that point of time,
Oh, yes, I
it would
can
have cost
imagine.
you like
Bomb.
40-50 lakhs for you to set up a unit. Obviously, our department didn't have that kind of money. We had a couple of VHS cameras. Not
and
even a
that was
couple. We had
prized.
one VHS camera.
And that was prized possession.
We're
you
fighting
have
for
to-
that.
And-
All right, folks, we're going to come back after the break. I will just take this forward of how they found that college and how did they find the course and was it worth it? I still haven't got an answer for that. They say yes, but let's see if they actually was.